In this video, we will show you how to set up personal apps, create bookmarks, delete an app, and add, edit, and rename sections inside BRUIN Connect. To add a personal app to BRUIN Connect, start on your BRUIN Connect dashboard. On the left side panel, click Add Apps. Search for apps by typing in the Search the App Catalog field. To help your search, you can filter by category. When you find the app you'd like to add, click the Add button across from the app name. BRUIN Connect will notify you that the app has been added. Go back to your BRUIN Connect dashboard and you will see the app you just added. Click on the app and the Sign Into App window will open. Enter your username and password and click the Sign In button. The app will open in a new tab in your web browser and you will be automatically signed in. If you'd like to delete an app, click on the ellipse in the top right-hand corner of the app to open the app settings. Click the General tab and click the Remove App button. Click Remove and the app will be deleted. You have the option of adding sections to organize your BRUIN Connect apps. To add a section, go to your BRUIN Connect dashboard. On the left side panel or in your main dashboard, click Add Section. Name your new section and click Save. To edit the name of a section, hover your cursor over the name of the section and click the pencil icon. In the field, type the new section name and click Save. Click and drag apps to add them to different sections. Organize sections by clicking and dragging them around in the left side panel. To delete a section, make sure the section is expanded and all of your apps in that section are moved into a different section or removed from the section you want to delete. Once the section is empty, click Remove Section. Inside BRUIN Connect Preferences, you can display a recently used apps section at the top of your dashboard and change your app's layout. To access preferences, click on your name in the top right corner of BRUIN Connect. Click Preferences. To turn on Recently Used, click the switch across from Recently Used. To turn off Recently Used, access Preferences and click the Recently Used switch off. Disabling Recently Used will clear the apps from this section. To change your app's layout, click to choose between Grid View or List View under Layout. Grid View displays your apps in a chiclet or tile style layout on your dashboard. List View displays your sections and apps in an organized column. Click the X in the top right corner of the Preferences window to close Preferences. BRUIN Connect lets you create bookmarks to provide convenient bookmark access to websites that are not in the predefined applications. To add a bookmark, click on the Add Apps button in the left side panel of your BRUIN Connect dashboard. In the search bar, type in or copy and paste the URL of the page you'd like to add as a bookmark. Your search won't yield any results, so click the Add a Bookmark Instead button, and the Add Bookmark window will open. Paste the URL in the App URL field. Name your bookmark in the App Name field. Click Add Bookmark, and BRUIN Connect will notify you if your bookmark has been added to your dashboard. Go back to your BRUIN Connect dashboard, and you will see the bookmark you just created. Click on the bookmark and the app will open up in a new tab in your web browser. BRUIN Connect lets you create on-the-fly apps, which can save credentials to provide convenient access to websites that are not in the predefined applications. Open a web browser and enter the URL of the website you want to save. Enter your username and password to sign in. The Okta plugin will pop up and ask if you would like to save your credentials. Click Save Password and your sign-in credentials will be saved. Refresh your BRUIN Connect dashboard and you'll notice a new app chiclet was created as a result of saving credentials to a web page via the Okta plugin. This is the on-the-fly app for the web page that you just saved to the Okta plugin. Clicking the on-the-fly app will now sign you into the web page that is not a BRUIN Connect predefined app. Thanks for watching.